What if I told you that you can turn a single image into a cinematic anime video, enhance that image with unlimited AI edits, and then animate it into smooth motion, all inside one platform? Today, we're diving deep into Domo AI, and especially its most powerful new feature, Nano Banana Pro. And the big question is, can Domo AI compete with Kling and Veo 3? Let's find out. What is Domo AI? Domo AI is an all-in-one AI creative platform designed for image generation, video generation, and AI video editing. The interface is extremely beginner-friendly, so even if you're new to AI tools, you can start creating immediately. Domo AI has three main modules: AI video, the core of the platform; AI image, image creation, and image editing; AI editing, enhancement tools like upscale. Among all of these, AI video is the heart, and Nano Banana Pro is the foundation that powers high-quality results. Nano Banana Pro, key feature highlight. Before generating any video, let's talk about the feature that defines Domo AI's quality. Nano Banana Pro. Nano Banana Pro is Domo AI's advanced image editing engine, and it is now fully live. This feature is critical because AI video quality starts with the image. The better your image, the better your animation. What makes Nano Banana Pro special is one major thing: relax mode with unlimited generations. That means you can refine, edit, and experiment without worrying about limits. How to use Nano Banana Pro? Step by step. Step 1. Go to image editing inside Domo AI. Step 2. Upload your image. This can be anime art, an original character, concept art, or even a photo. Step 3. Enable Nano Banana Pro. Step 4. Enter your edit prompt. Girl from image 1 wearing bag. From image to in environment image 3. Step 5. Generate and refine. Because relax mode is enabled, you can regenerate multiple times until the result is perfect. This makes Nano Banana Pro ideal for anime creators, ARC designers, AI storytellers, anyone preparing images for image to video. Think of Nano Banana Pro as your image polishing stage before animation. Image to video, main feature. Once your image is ready with Nano Banana Pro, it's time to animate it. Process step by step. Step 1. Go to image to video under AI video. Step 2. Upload your enhanced image from Nano Banana Pro. Step 3. Choose your model. Faster model. Best for quick content and simple scenes. Advanced model. Highly recommended. Better motion, higher precision, more stability. Perfect for anime, AI music videos, and cinematic scenes. Step 4. Add a motion prompt. Example. As the race starts, camera pans to follow the runners. Step 5. Click Generate. In seconds, your still image becomes a smooth animated video. This workflow, Nano Banana Pro plus image to video, is where Domo AI truly shines. Has Domo AI reached Kling or Veo level? When it comes to anime and stylized content, Domo AI is extremely competitive. Compared to other tools, Kling is powerful but more expensive and limited. Veo focuses more on realism. Domo AI is optimized for anime, ARC, and creative storytelling. And unlike most platforms, Domo AI allows unlimited generation, which is a massive advantage. Talking avatar, lip sync feature. Domo AI's talking avatar feature was recently upgraded. What's improved? More stable lip sync, richer facial expressions, support for video uploads. How it works: upload an image or video, add audio or text, generate a talking character.
This cream claims to hydrate deeply, repair skin damage, and improve texture within weeks. But does it actually work? Today, we're breaking down the ingredients, benefits.
Perfect for AI influencers, faceless YouTube channels, educational content, AI news videos, video to video, style transfer. Video to video works in just 2 steps. Upload a video, choose a style model. Styles include clay cartoon, PS2 game, Chinese ink painting, pixel art, paper art. The motion remains stable, and the visual style transforms cleanly. Frames to video. Upload 2 to 8 images. Domo AI generates smooth transitions between each frame. This is perfect for story-driven videos, anime sequences, concept art animation, other useful features, text to video, type a prompt and generate instantly, character to video, make a character follow movement from another video, upscale, enhance resolution and clarity for final export, pricing and unlimited mode. Domo AI pricing is very competitive. Standard and Pro plans include unlimited generations, relax mode, lower cost than most competitors. The annual plan offers a 30% discount, making it even better value. If you want an AI video tool where image quality comes first, unlimited creativity is possible, anime and awk content truly shines, then Domo AI, especially Nano Banana Pro, is absolutely worth trying. Link is in the description. Subscribe for more AI tools breakdowns and comment what feature you want tested next.